Hi, today I'm going to show you the easiest and the free way to add I am human or a reCAPTCHA to your WordPress site. So, let me just share my screen so I can start. Well, sobrang dali lang nito. Just go to reCAPTCHA, okay? And just make sure na kapag i-connect niyo yung I am human or I am or reCAPTCHA to your WordPress sites is na-connect niyo na yung domain niyo. Kasi it won't work later on if you're going to connect your new domain. So make sure that you do this pre-launch or if you already launched the site since you've already connected the domains. Okay? Let's go. While waiting for it to load, I'm not sure why it's taking so long. Okay, we're here now. So just click get started and another get started. And then here you can see the label. This is where you put the name or you just have to um set a name. So for this one, I'm using this website. I'm going to connect the reCAPTCHA for this site. But first we go to plugins and we're going to add a plugin that's called Advanced Google reCAPTCHA. So just click the add plugin here and search advanced. Or let's just say Google reCAPTCHA. Okay. So ito, just make sure na ito yung mapipili nyo. Okay? Just install it and wait. Okay. Once you're done, go to settings. And by the way, this is free. So, hindi mo kailangang gamitin yon. And then, you can choose um, pro version. But for this one, we're just gonna use the free version, which is this one, the Google reCAPTCHA version 2 V2. Kasi mas ano siya, mas tight yung security. And by the way, we're doing this kasi the purpose of inserting or integrating the reCAPTCHA to your site is to make sure na hindi for security hindi madaming nag-spam sa'yo ng comments and messages or sa form. So actually this is for the form sa WordPress. So kung wala kasing added security, maraming nagsisend ng form na nagpo-promote lang. So, ang dami mong nare-receive na mga messages or emails from someone na hindi mo naman talaga target audience. So, okay, going back. So, let's go back to Google reCAPTCHA and we're going to name this Vornal since the client is Vornal and Blair. Okay. And now choose the version that you're going to use. So for this one, we're going to choose the version 2, which is this one, challenge. You can choose I am not robot or invisible reCAPTCHA badge. Let's just use I am not robot. Okay. And this is also for um a protection for bots or AI thing. Ganyan. Okay, and then we're going to uh, I think I created this one last October. Maybe let's just use the same project. And then we're going to add the domain here. And then, so ang domain na ilalagay natin is ito. Of course, yung domain yung ilalagay nyo dito. And make sure na tatanggalin nyo yung HTTPS na yan. Kailangan, and walang ibang ano kundi yung mismong domain nyo. And then just click the plus icon. And then just click submit, and you're gonna get the site key and the secret key. And this is what we're going to need to insert insert to the advanced Google reCAPTCHA login. So let's go back to WordPress and choose this one, and then paste the site key and the secret key. Okay. But I'm going to, this is just for instruction. Siyempre, itong mga secret key na to ay i-blur ko para hindi nyo makita. Okay, and then just verify it. Click I am not robot. Okay, and then click save changes. Once it's done, you can check your site, your forms, if it shows na minsan nakikita yung icon na I am not robot. Pero kapag ang pinili mo ay invisible, hindi mo siya makikita, that means na hindi rin siya nakikita na user. So let's go and check the site if the form shows na meron ng added security. For this one, wala akong nakikita. But let's test. Wait, wait, oh, okay. It didn't work. So maybe it takes time for it to work, but that's the process. So let me know if you have any question, just comment uh down below.